Hello, everyone, and welcome. My name is Ms.Stefany, and today we're reading a really special book that's going to take us a couple episodes to do because we have Benny Blue takes a vacation, and Benny Blue is a whale. It's a blue whale, and he's taking us on vacation with him. So let's go ahead and get started kind of with the book because like I said, it's by episodes, okay? So first of all, this book is written by Meredith, and it is illustrated by Tom. So let's go ahead and see what the blue whale is saying to us. So it says, "Dear fishy friends," you guys are fishy friends, "the ocean is getting too small for me. Look how much bigger I am than all of you. And I can barely fit at our favorite hangout. I need a break. I am going on a vacation somewhere huge, loud, and dry. That's right. I'm going to land. Don't worry, I'll send pictures and postcards from everywhere I go. Here's hoping my journey is big. Love, Benny." To my fishy friends under the sea. All right, my little fishies. I'm going to call you guys fishies because you guys are fishies and we're reading the postcard together, okay? So let's see where Benny goes first. Where are we getting our first postcard from? Let's see. First stop is Thailand. Thailand is located in Southeast Asia. So if you see the map right there, that green space, that is Thailand. And it says, the beaches were so beautiful. Oh my goodness, they were beautiful. Look at that. That's amazing. It says, I even met an elephant with a great big trunk for picking up fruit. Whoa, you guys, look at the elephants. One of the elephants told me that at the sanctuary where she lived, sometimes they weighed her with a scale. With a scale? She clocks in about 8,800 pounds. That is so much. She thinks that's so big. I do too. What about you guys? Do you fishies think it's big? Yeah, me too. But I think she needs to get her eyes checked. Her eyes checked? Why? Let's see what it says. When I jumped on the scale, I weighed about 250,000 pounds. Okay, I understand why she needs to get her eye checked now. My tongue alone weighs as much as she does. Do you guys understand that? That means that his tongue, just the tongue of the whale, weighs as much as what? The elephant. That is crazy. And and then Benny goes, elephants aren't that big. Love, Benny. All right, you guys, I really hope that you enjoyed your first postcard and learning a little bit about Thailand. Next time, we are going to Singapore. So in Singapore, we're going to be reading what Benny is doing in Singapore. Let's read what the postcard is. I hope I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Have a great day. Bye.